Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Prism Frame Rectangular Premium pool. First, select a perfectly level and firm area for your pool. It's crucial to remove all sharp objects, rocks, and debris from the ground to prevent damage. Also, confirm your chosen site is clear of any overhead power lines for safety. Finally, place a durable ground cloth for essential pool bottom protection before proceeding. Next, let's assemble the frame. Lay out all your frame components and identify each part according to the manual. Begin connecting the horizontal beams to the vertical legs, ensuring they fit snugly. Make sure all T-joints and pins are properly locked into place for stability. Remember, do not fully tighten all connections just yet. We'll do that once the liner is in position. Now it's time for the liner. Carefully unfold the pool liner inside the assembled frame, making sure it's centered. Gently smooth out any wrinkles from the center towards the edges to ensure a proper fit. Begin filling the pool with water slowly, adding about 1 to 2 inches. This helps the liner settle. Continue filling until the water reaches the recommended fill line, usually marked inside the pool. Finally, let's do some important checks. Double-check all frame connections for tightness and security now that the pool is filled. Attach your filter pump and ensure it operates correctly to keep your water clean. Remember to test the water chemistry regularly and add any necessary balancing chemicals. Consistent cleaning and filter maintenance will ensure your pool remains enjoyable for many seasons.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.